Our partner Mehul Patel here with Xchange, and we are finalizing the final steps of our $15 million raise for Xchange. And we're hanging out here over in Lombard, Illinois right now and having a few drinks, kind of just going over the last few steps here and what we're doing. For the last 3 months, we've been working on doing all the due diligence and the background regulatory bullshit that's required with becoming a stock brokerage firm. Let's put it that way. So we've been working real heavily on development, software, partnerships. It has been incredible. Javi, welcome. David, Al Capone, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stream. Dustin, good to see you, my friend. It's become a situation where we realized you got to be absolutely fucking crazy. Am I right or am I right? You got to be absolutely fucking crazy to create a stock brokerage firm nowadays. And we're well aware of that, but that's part of the point. What's going on, Raj, Chris, in your base?
What's up, guys? How you doing?
And Mehul and I have built, a fucking dozen companies between the two of us. You name it. Software, IT, logistics, trucking, distribution. It's been a long fucking road. And, I'm a former real estate broker, current freight broker, and soon to be stock broker. And I think it's a good natural progression, And Mehul here owns a very, very well-known IT firm, software as a service company. It's good to see you, Raj. Matthew, we will get access to you guys in Canada as soon as possible. First the United States, and then we'll move over to Canada and Europe as well. We just got to do everything in stages naturally. But yeah, we finished up everything that we need here up until now. We're finishing up the PPM, right? We're getting all the exhibits.
Getting everything submitted.
You guys have seen some of the pitch deck and the business plan. Actually, you haven't seen the business plan yet, but you guys saw the pitch deck. And now we're going to have everything together for you guys in the PPM, which is basically the equity fundraise.
I can't wait to share this with you guys. It's going to be incredible.
It's fucking exciting, right? It's wild. People don't even know. We try to explain.
What we're going to build is going to be absolutely incredible. It is.
Trying to explain it to people is fucking wild, right?
Yeah.
Amen, brother. Brian, cheers, my friend. We're definitely, hello from Sweden, Robert. Hello from Lombard, Illinois. Cheers, my friend. Chicago suburbs tonight. But yeah, what we're doing is fucking insane. It's insane, to say the least. I'm not surprised that nobody else,
What's up, Brian?
that many people have said done this shit, because it's a ridiculous amount of work. We face a lot of challenges ahead that we have so far taken on one by one without a problem. And I'm extremely excited to see that we're getting ready to proceed with the actual fundraiser here next week. And everything's approved through our FINRA approved funding portal. We're going to get everything in order. We've already got the FINRA, the necessary portion of the website done for FINRA approval. Now all we need is the money in the bank to tell them, listen, to show them that we've got sufficient funds to run the business. And that's where you guys come in. That's where retail investors come in. Like Mehul and I, we've talked about going to hedge funds and VC firms, right?
Yeah. Not hedge funds, VC.
Well, VC firms specifically. Well, some of them are hedge funds, and that's why I say that. But the reality of the matter is that we would much rather give you guys, the retail investors, to own the company instead of giving it all to, hedge funds and becoming another Robin Hood situation, because that's the antithesis of what we're doing with this company. We're not trying to be owned by hedgies. We're trying to be owned by retail investors. And that allows us to do exactly what's needed to make sure that the retail investor is well taken care of. And we make all the necessary moves to keep them happy. Because we go in the Robin Hood route, going to Susquehanna and State Street and becoming beholden to them and being their little bitch with a quid pro quo for a few $1 million is not my idea of running a good business. Running good businesses, capitalizing it ourselves.
For the people.
For the people, capitalizing it by the people and letting the people be the ones to be able to make money off of it when this eventually goes public. You could IPO. When we IPO, then you could sell your shares and take profits at that time. So it is a long-term, multi-year investment, 2 to 3 year investment. But if you've been in stocks like GameStop, AMC, MMAT, any of these other stocks, Tesla, Nvidia, even, you understand the benefits of holding long-term and the ridiculous amounts of money you can make on them as well. So this is not a guarantee of any profits of any sort, of course. But this is what it is, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm reading the comments.
Yeah, look at that. Fubu.
You guys are amazing.
Fubu, for us, by us, bro. Look at that shit. For us, by us, dude. Just
That's
like,
what it is,
like
really.
your boy Damon John, right?
That's what it is. Yeah. I know Damon. But
he's not lying. He actually does know Damon John.
stockbroker for the people. Yeah, no, 100%. It's for the people.
Boogman says, we know this
passion.
stuff. It ain't easy.
Take the bar glasses, guys.
Thanks. Yep.
We're
closing out the bar. We're about to get out of the bar.
Yeah.
Stockbroker for the people. We know this stuff ain't easy,
to
says
build this
Bookman.
just for you guys. I really can't. It's going to be incredible. You know this stuff and appreciate you guys.
Bookman, thank you. He says, I always believed in you. Let's run this up. Let me know how I can contribute. It's fucking wild, right? Looking at all the support from awesome retail investors, dude. Just remember, when it gets harder, you're going the right way. Amen, guys. Amen. You guys are absolutely right. That's what it's all about. Doing what needs to be done to make sure that the retail investor actually has a seat at the table. You know what I mean? These dark pools are a fucking menace. 80% of some stocks on a daily basis and daily volume is trading in a fucking dark pool to a wholesaler who can front run your trades and withhold the orders and batch them
Mark,
up.
Matthew, I love Chi-Town, PJ. Sorry.
Cheers, my friend. No, go ahead, man. Raj says you guys will be on CNBC soon.
Absolutely will.
And I'm going to tell Jim Cramer to get fucked when we're on CNBC, too. You know it, brother.
They have options, yes.
Oh, absolutely, my friend. Options trading without question. Without question.
You guys are incredible.
Yeah, this community's great, right? This guy here, bro, we're closing out the bar.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you,
have
guys.
An amazing night.
Have a wonderful night. Check out the Yard House. If you guys are in Lombard, scope it out. It's a good time. Well, let's go, Chris. Oh, shit, I can't believe it. I must have muted it with my hand. How do I always manage to mute myself by accident? What the fuck is right, JP? But to make it so that it's actually beneficial to retail investors, so that literally people get the chance for their dollars to make a difference on their stocks, so that your orders don't go and get routed into a fucking dark pool, so that your purchases actually hit the lit exchange. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. It doesn't get any better than that. It doesn't get any better than that. To be able to make a difference instead of having your order filtered through along with millions of other shares to make it look as if you hadn't bought a damn thing does not sound like my good idea. Does not sound like a good idea and my idea of a good time, without question. So I want real stock shares, not synthetic shares. I'm not going to rehypothecate people's shares. I'm not going to let our CFO and CEO, lend out your fucking shares if you don't want them to be. If you want your shares of Walmart to get lent out, no problem. Take your dividend. But if you don't want your shares of GameStop or AMC or MMAT or whatever the fuck to be lent out, then I think you deserve the right to choose exactly what securities are lent out. plain and simple, ladies and gentlemen. This is for you. I don't need any more money. That guy doesn't need any more money. We don't need another business. But the fact of the matter is that we need to help people. I am only happy when I can actually make a difference. This guy's only happy when he can actually make a fucking difference. And logistics has been great. IT has been great. Software, everything has been fucking phenomenal. But we're not doing it because we need more money. Without question. That's not what this shit's about, right, bro? This is literally about making a difference in finance and people's futures, their 401ks, their pensions, the shares, and the value of your investments is what really fucking matters. You know, and I would rather do something that I know is actually benefiting people and future generations, and I know this guy would too.
Absolutely.
And that's why I chose him to be my partner. Is that we're not doing this because I need another brokerage firm. You know, I told you guys I'm a former real estate broker. I'm a former freight broker. This isn't for the money. You know, we don't need more money. It's passion. It's a fucking labor of love. And I think that you guys need to know everything you possibly can about the fucking manipulation that's going on in our financial markets, stocks, bonds, cryptocurrencies, government, etc. Whichever this jackass. Gotta love fucking Chicagoland, right? Where are you going, bro? Where the fuck are you going? Look at this shit. Where the fuck is he going? What a fucking jagoff. Making a fucking left-hand turn from the right turn lane. Jesus. D. Mickles says, 7 months ago, you and a couple more influencers started pushing AMC. Wasn't a short squeeze play and led your followers to the reverse split. Now AMC's a squeeze play. What a joke. My friend, I've been here for 3 fucking years, and I've said the exact same thing for 3 fucking years. And that is that heavily shorted equities are going to the fucking moon. AMC, GameStop, silver, gold, you name it, ladies and gentlemen, you fucking name it. They are going to the fucking moon. And this is not financial advice, not your financial advisor. But the reality of the fact is that no house of cards can be propped up forever. None. Nothing lasts forever in this lifetime. All right, and don't you fucking forget that. Guys like Ken Griffin, guys like Doug Sifu, they can be the liquidity fairy. They can sell shares of stock that they don't own, but nothing lasts forever. Ask Bernie Madoff. You know, ask Archegos. Ask fucking Credit Suisse and Tiger Capital and Melvin Capital. Ask Vlad Tenev from Robinhood. Nothing fucking lasts forever.
It's our time.
This is our time. Cheers, my brother.
It's our time, fellas. And ladies. All of us, the community.
The community, right? Absolutely right. Pueblo Bishop, Pondy, El Cacas, D. Bickle, you guys are wild. Black Widow, out of the box. I appreciate you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. It's like,
Turn left.
I could open up a dozen more logistics, distribution companies, software companies, if I wanted to make more money. That's not what this is for. That's not the fucking point of this shit. It's like I'm good on all that. Those companies are on autopilot, you know. This is the reality of the fact is that we need to help people take care of themselves. I'm not going to make you rich. You're going to make your fucking selves rich.
It's for America, man.
All we're going to do is give you guys the opportunity to have a level fucking playing field. And who doesn't deserve a level playing field? Everybody does. This is for we the fucking people. Cheers, my friends. As Francisco said, we're going to be so fucking rich. Damn. Yeah, MMAT, COS, AMC, GameStop, silver, gold. They've got potential like I've never seen in my fucking life. Why? Because these sick bastards that have been manipulating markets for so long have done it to themselves. They have dug a grave so deep that they cannot possibly climb out of it without filling the grave with other hedge fucks and market makers and broker dealers. and I'll be proud to say that I stood with retail investors all the way through. Scraper, I'll take one question. You can email me any questions you want. Let me see, contact@litexchange.app, or you can email me at marcelkalinovic@gmail.com. It is phonetic, marcelkalinovic@gmail.com. Anything you guys want to know, ask me anything, but don't ask me financial advice because I'm not going to give you that. Cheers, my friends. Peace out, hello.